Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, PrincetonTrader.com, here for NTMarkets.com with your pre-FOMC Market Webcast. Hope everybody is well. I wanted to wait a little bit and let the market get opened up and, get a little bit of a gauge of where we wanted to be this morning before I did this. I wasn't gonna let the Fed day go without doing a webcast for you guys. So what we've seen in the overnight is we've seen a walk up overnight from about 31 up into the low 50s. Currently, we're testing the 38 area. It's 11:19 in the morning Eastern time. We're testing the 38 area, the area of the 200-day exponential moving average. That was support last night at about 4 in the morning, and it was a jumping off point on a pullback. You had the first initial pop last night about 9 p.m., held the 38 area, held it again, and now we're back to kind of test that out. I'll be interested to see between now and 2 o'clock whether the 38 can hold up. For our part, we sold our longs out of the walk up. We're long 32. We got out of the rest of that this morning. We shorted against the 48. This is your opening RTH print here at 48 quarter. You had one move, two moves up against the 5-minute mid band. We tried it once, then we tried it twice, and currently I've got a runner left short 47.5, which I'm just going to leave alone. Okay. If it stays profitable, if it gets more profitable headed into 2 o'clock, that's fine. And that really has nothing to do with any opinion I have about the direction or the reaction of the Fed announcement. It's that if you've got a runner and it's profitable, okay, and this I would say to anybody out there that is short the morning high in this market, if you've gotten a bunch of profits out and you just have kind of a flyer left, why not see if that flyer could be something much, much more? Because the worst thing that could happen is you get stopped out at even. Put a stop on it, lock in your commission or whatever it is you want to do, and see if you can nail it. That's a lot less anxiety than most people, are going to have, come 2 o'clock. Now I'm going to give you guys the same speech that I gave the people in my room. 2 o'clock is going to come and go. Something's going to happen. Maybe they raise rates. Maybe they don't. Maybe they sing a song. Doesn't really matter. There's going to be a reaction. That reaction is going to create a price range, and potentially that could create setups long or short. What today is an excellent opportunity for people to blow up, to blow their year, to screw up their risk model, and basically just completely flame out. And the best way to do that is to come in and say, well, I think the reaction is going to be X, and try to game this. You may be right. If you do, I'm sure you'll tell everybody on Twitter. But if you're wrong, you're going to blow maybe an irreversible hole in your account. So my suggestion is you wait for the reaction. You find a setup related to that. You control your size, you control your risk, and you treat any trade like any other trade. So, and as we progress through the rest of the month, as we figure out what the environment's going to be after whatever this announcement is, the market will be a lot more tradable than it's going to be at 5 after 2 in the afternoon today. So just be responsible. I'm not saying don't trade it. What I'm saying is do it in a way that minimizes your ability to just get nuked. Okay, and that's what I really came on here to say. I will be interested to see what the fallout is from this. I will absolutely be doing a market webcast in the morning, but there's no sense in speculating as far as up or down because we don't know what's going to happen, and we don't know what the reaction is going to be. And nobody out there, we are individual traders, and it's our job to figure out what the reaction is after it happens and to ride the correct horse to victory. Okay, but the nice part is for us, we get to wait and see who's right and then figure out a way to jump on their horse. All right, so watch your risk, watch your size, survive the day. There will be better trading days than from 2 to 2:30 in the afternoon today. All right, everybody have a good one. Follow us on Twitter at Princeton Trader. Check out the website, check out the chat room. I will be back in the morning with another webcast. We will assess where we are and potentially where we're headed. Trade them well.